Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Good
Principal,
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
good afternoon, madam. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Manjeet, sir.
Good afternoon.
I'll start the session, sir.
Yes, sir. Shiva Reddy sir is also joining. I think
Shiva
he
Reddy,
is-
sir.
Yeah, I think we just went to.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Around the same time.
Should I start, sir?
Yes. You please start, madam. Whenever Shiva Reddy sir comes, you welcome him. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It's 5 days, is it? I was thinking it was 6 days.
5 days only, madam.
How was the participation?
Participation is in 150 continuously. It is there, madam.
Okay, but now only 50.
Yeah, now only 50. So in the morning also I have seen 148 and 149. I could see.
That's very good number.
Very good number, madam.
Across the country, isn't it?
And even I have seen the active participation of the participants, delegates.
Do you have any valedictory address by an expert now?
No, madam. No. Normally about the workshop and then feedback from participants and then address by us.
So Vice Principal sir has joined.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Start, madam.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon to all the participants and dignitaries who has joined the meeting today. I, MRS Lupasti, Assistant Professor from Mechanical Engineering Department of CVR College of Engineering, welcome you all to the valedictory session of 1-week faculty development program on post-COVID green and sustainable development practices in manufacturing industries. I hope all of you have enjoyed all the sessions and gained immense knowledge from all the experts we had throughout the sessions. Now, I request Dr. Manjeet Karu, Coordinator and Associate Professor of our department, to address the gathering and detail about the FDP sessions. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, madam. First of all, I would like to thanks to all dignitaries, all the participants who have continuously motivated me during the FDP, and I would like to say a few words about our FDP, as most of the important point is that throughout the FDP, more than, we can say, 125 participants were there throughout each section. So it was a good, we can say, contribution from participant point of view. So we started with our FDP with welcoming gather from the Dr. Himanshu Gupta, IIT Dhanbad. He discussed about the role of sustainability in manufacturing. So we discuss about Dr. Gupta also highlighted the role of research and then the different types of research methodology. Particularly, he showed some case studies relevant to the this multi-criteria decision making. And then next morning, we discuss about the role of lean and Kaizen, and then how lean is different from the Kaizen. We discuss with the help of few case studies, and after that the next session was addressed by madam from Sonipat University. She discussed about the role of new technology in agriculture business and sustainability in food and agriculture business. So it was also a nice interaction. And after that, we had with us Dr. Rajiv from Lovely Professional University, and he already published more than 60 papers in Lean and Six Sigma and sustainability. So he showed us few models that are very helpful for us in research, and he showed that how Lean is different from Six Sigma. And moving forward, we had our Asim Misra. He showed the role of sustainability in international ecosystem, and he also showed the model that how we can incorporate different country in one model, and we can identify the sustainability with respect to different country. And after that, we had one expert from MIT University, Sumit Gupta. He explained about the role of sustainability in manufacturing industry. And after that, one session was on solar energy, the solar energy, its role, and how we can save our energy by using solar energy, how we can save our resources. That was by resource person from NIT Hamirpur. And moving forward, today morning we had with our that Dr. Rana from Gulf University, Gulf Medical University. He discussed about the role of sustainability in medical field, as well as he is an editor from different journal. He discussed about what actually editor want in their journal and what kind of paper they are want, how to conduct the literature. So he discussed about a different journal also, how to publish paper and what kind of mindset that journal editor have. So he discussed in detail all those things, and we had very interactive session in morning. So overall, I am fully satisfied with the participants, because throughout the FDP I have seen the we can say we are asking question, and it was we can say nice experience for me. So with these words, I would like to thanks everyone, those who actively participated in this FDP, and I will ask feedback from you on this topic also. So yes, madam, over to you now.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
I request participants to please speak few words about your experience and the knowledge that you have gained in the sessions of our FDP.
Yes, madam. So, this is.
Sir, please
hello.
give your name and
Yeah.
your college.
Yes, madam.
Names.
Yeah. This is Dr. Muthukumar, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Savida Engineering College, Chennai. So first of all, my thanks to the organizers and HOD sir and principal ma'am for providing the opportunity to participate in this valuable 5 days FTP on sustainable manufacturing. All the sessions and the speakers are given a lot of insight into this particular field, and also all the sessions are very interactive. The speakers are responded and they given responses to all the questions whatever we have asked as the past participants. And also the Manjit sir is the very nice coordinator for all the questions. He also given a lot of input and clarifications, and all these sessions are very active and very much useful to the researchers and also for our engineering community. And they mainly focused not only in sustainable and also in how to publish the journals. Here and there they given lot of input. All the speakers and Manjit are also they given. So all the sessions are very useful for us. So I wish the department to organize many more events in future. And also I request you conduct one special FDP on how to publish journal or how to write the journal. It is and how to convert the students project. Now that it is very mandatory to convert our student project into the research journal or papers. So I request you to conduct this kind of workshop in future. Thanks, madam. Thank you, sir. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you for kind words, sir.
Yes, sir.
So very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, my name is Dr. Suresh Kumar. I am working in CVR Engineering College as assistant professor in mechanical engineering department. So I thankful to the, first of all, I thankful to the total college of CVR actually. See, the management, the principal, the coordinator and the department have taken a lot of risk in the pandemic situation. We know that how to, it's very difficult to organize the FDP programs, even in a pandemic situation. You brought so many faculties, experts, subject experts related. And the first of all, I'm very happy in organizing that. You are very laughing face, sir, actually. You have taken participations, the involvement, you have taken the involvement. And in the middle also, you have been told that here the attendance is not more important. something you have to get it from this FDP program. I'm very happy. We have attended so many FDP classes also, but there's some participants really they're working for attendance and feedback. In this FDP program, I have seen that no participant has been asked for the feedback link. That is my observation, which I have been seen. Till the attendance also very good. You have maintained that attendance, and we have never asked the feedback links also. You have given within a time and feedback. And as per my experience, the feedback is also just nominal formalities. But whatever we experienced, how much we got it from the subject experts. That is the main criteria here you have taken. So for that one, we are very thankful. And even I am very thankful to Principal Madam. I know Principal Madam. Already I have been worked with Kottam Tulsi Reddy Engineering College. Actually,
I remember Suresh. Yes.
Madam, how are you, Madam?
I'm fine. How are you?
Fine, Madam. How is Sir, Madam?
Oh,
He's
okay.
Madam,
Sorry,
we are very happy, Madam, to see this one. But FDP program is very successful, Madam. This I can say from my side and on behalf of all the participant sides also. But they planned very much, Madam. And one more important is FDP coordinator. There is no network issues, Madam, that we have seen it. There is no disturbance. Very good brand you have been maintained that one. And very smoothly, sir has been taken this one because there is no tensions, easily handled. And this appreciation goes to principal as well as mechanical HOD and also the management. And if possibility is there, we are ready to join for other FDP programs for the CVR. And even I am also ready to give my experience if CVR college is going to call for any project works or any with your students. I can give free guest lectures like that. So that we can share the knowledge and R&D. Even I can share my experience with my madam also. She is also working in CBIT, CSC department, Dr. B. Veerajyoti, and she is also IT R&D coordinators. So if we are coordination and collaboration is there, we can run our R&D works most if the college will permit us. And thanking you. This is information I want to share with you. Thanking you, madam. Thanking you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah, may I take this opportunity to thank the organizers for giving us a splendid 1 week exposure to the concepts of sustainable development.
Sir, your name, sir? Your name.
I'm sorry, I did not introduce myself. I'm Professor Revankar from Keli Technological University. So this is in the state of Karnataka, the northern part of Karnataka. So it was in fact very interesting to attend all the sessions. And more importantly, the topic what was selected for the FDP is very relevant today because of the ongoing COVID situation. The world has witnessed what is the importance of the environment. So how we should be sensitive to the changes that are happening in the environment. And the FDP has clearly indicated the need of conserving the environment, adopting practices that will make a sustainable development in the world economy. So this way, I find that it was quite interesting for me. It was quite engaging, and the resource persons who were invited to deliver the talk were very good in putting forth their ideas, and then very patient to hear our questions, and they gave us very interesting inputs. And several areas that were covered in this particular workshop are very relevant for young researchers to take up research activities. And at the outset, I would like to thank the CVR community for bringing us this quality workshop. The entire team who have put a lot of efforts to make this a grand success. And my special thanks to Dr. Manjeet for spearheading this particular event in a very effective way. So he has been hearing to all our concerns. He has put all the YouTube videos of all the sessions I could see in the WhatsApp group. So overall, it was a great experience being part of this particular workshop. Thank you, sir. Thank you one and all for extending your support. In fact, this opens up new opportunities for us to interact in terms of developing some common platform where we interact in our research interests. So we look forward to interact with your institute in terms of research collaboration or other issues. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Very nice word, sir. And this is how actually our college works actually, sir. We put efforts and then a result automatically comes, sir. And this is our college philosophy. All our faculty members work like that, and we got appreciation from people like you, and that is why these kind of FDP take place. And I hope that in future also we will be in touch. So any others, please?
Sir, good afternoon, sir. This is R.S. Kiran from SVP Engineering College. First of all, I thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to participate in this FDP, sir. I would like to thank each and every distinguished speaker also for making a very pleasantful and honorable participation for me. And thanks to all the people also who are directly and indirectly also involved in making this FDP a successful event for participation, sir. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. So with this, I would say that every session was very much simplified, were very much specified, were very much standardized and diversified so that we can convert each and every word into action, which is the requirement for the present day for a developing country like us. So finally, again, thank all the organizers and particularly to you, sir, for making this FDP a very wonderful and pleasurable session, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
You are
you,
welcome,
sir.
sir.
So any participant would like to give their feedback? Okay, sir. So I'll proceed with the valedictory. I request our HOD, Professor M. Venkatramana, to address the participants.
Respected Principal Madam, Professor K.S. Nayanatara, Vice Principal Sir, Professor L.C. Sivareddy, and Coordinator, Dr. Manjeet Kharab, and my colleagues and participants. A very good afternoon to all of you. This 1 week faculty development program has come to an end. And all these 5 days continuously, I am observing the sessions. The participation of the, I could see the active participation of all the delegates in the discussion. And even I could observe that the resource persons has made the sessions live. And a lot of interaction I could observe between the resource persons and the delegates. And more importantly, I could see some of the participants were asking the questions about what are the possible journals where we can publish these kind of articles under this particular area. And now I could listen the feedback from the participants also. The feedback seems to be excellent. Feedback seems to be excellent. And of course, Dr. Mutunkar, I think Dr. Mutunkar, I hope I have spelled correctly. Dr. Mutunkar suggested us to conduct a faculty development program on how to publish a paper and etc. All those things also. It is not, sir, our institution is very much capable of conducting such kind of faculty development workshop because it is headed by our Dean R&D, the former Vice Chancellor of JNT Anantapur, Professor Lal Kishore. And of course, definitely we'll take your suggestion and we'll approach Principal Madam if it is possible to conduct such kind of FDP at institution level in time to come. Of course, Professor, I thank very good feedback given by Professor Revankar and R.S. Kiran. And of course, Dr. Suresh of CBIT. Sir, we are in touch with Chaitanya Bharati. We are in touch with Professor Ravinder Reddy and Professor Chandra Mohan Reddy. In time to come, if any such possibility is there, definitely we'll collaborate. And the entire success of this particular faculty development program, definitely it is to be given to Dr. Manjeet Karab. In fact, we have planned such a program long back. We have submitted a proposal to JNTU to conduct such a program in collaboration with JNTU. Of course, that time, unfortunately, it could not be shortlisted. And now, suddenly, when there is a work from home environment opportunity is there, immediately I called Dr. Manjeet Karab. Dr. Manjeet Karab rose to occasion with just 1 week notice. He could contact all the resource persons and make this program and made this program is a very successful one. And of course, with just 1 week or hardly 1 week notice, with 1 week notice, we approached the principal madam and management for permitting us to conduct FDP program. Thanks to principal madam and chairman sir for permitting us to conduct such a faculty development program. And in fact, our institutions, basically Dr. Manjeet Karab has got enough potential to offer consultancy in this particular area. And for the information of the participants, I'm telling that we are approaching industrial areas of Hyderabad to offer consultancy in the area of the lean manufacturing. In fact, we have contacted Charlaparli Industrial Association and Uppal Industrial Association. Of course, our proposal, because of COVID and all these things, it could not be materialized. Hopefully, in another 1 month, once this COVID third wave completes, we may materialize that particular lecture by Dr. Manjeet Karab to Industrial Association. Because this is a very potential area. Every faculty member can work on it and show some improvement in each and every industry. The basic problem with the industry is their mindset. They firmly believe that these academicians will not deliver the lecture, they cannot do anything. But once a lecture is delivered, what I requested Charlaparli Industrial Association, one of the members, is give us one lecture session, and after completion of the lecture session, and give us a small industry where our person will work and show the result, and then we can proceed further. And definitely, I believe that Dr. Manjeet, after successful completion of this faculty development program, we can make to pierce through industrial associations in the area of lean manufacturing. Dr. Manjeet, we are looking forward for your success in this particular area. And I also believe that you can motivate other junior faculty members to start working in this area, so that a team will be formed and can work in this particular area. And once again, I thank the management, principal madam, for permitting us to conduct this FDP, and I thank all the participants, because you are there, the sessions are live, and the FDP is successful one. And once again, congratulating Dr. Manjeet, and thanking Rupasri and other faculty members who helped us in conducting this program successfully. And somebody told about the network issue. There are no network issues. That credit goes to our IT manager and his team. So I thank once again all the participants and everybody. And I wish that we'll conduct and I wish that we may plan for such a FDP program in future. And I wish all the participants and tell all your friends to participate in such programs. Thank you all. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request our Vice Principal, Professor L.C. Sivareddy, sir, to address the participants.
Good afternoon, everyone. I think after hearing the feedback from the participants, and also after listening Dr. Manjeet Karab, what are the things that have happened during this last 4.5 days? I think definitely I consider that this program was really successful. And as the head of the department was mentioning about approaching the industries and then having a prove that yes, it is possible that we can show the industries that there can be improvement by using these principles. So definitely this is a kind of area where everyone need to work and then need to be successful, because otherwise there is no future. In the sense, because if we don't go for sustainable kind of thing, if we just go on exploiting the things, then perhaps it will not survive. We will not be able to survive. So this is a high time that we have to prove that we must go for lean manufacturing. We must go for sustainability, and we have to see that social responsibility, social development, everything has to pervade in all walks of life. So I thank the organizers for giving the opportunity, and also I thank the I congratulate Dr. Manjeet Karoop for conducting this particular workshop successfully. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request our principal, Professor K.S. Nayanthara ma'am, to address the participants.
Yeah, good afternoon to all of you. It is I feel really happy to see that the participants from across the country have been over 125 participants as per Dr. Manjeet Karoop, who is the coordinator of this. And another important thing that I feel is that all the resource persons have conducted very, very lively sessions and interactive sessions. And I'm sure that most of you have really benefited by the interactive sessions. So I suggest that all of you keep in touch and don't just, go back to your work. Do go back to your work, but also be in touch with all your co-participants and your resource persons and our coordinator and our faculty team who have been part of this particular FDP on post-COVID sustainable and green manufacturing. I am really delighted to see that the feedback from the participants has been very good. And I'm glad that the department has done a very good job of conducting this 5-day FDP to the satisfaction of all the delegates. I know this is a new topic and a very important topic, as the Vice Principal has mentioned. And it is good to see that the participants are all actually satisfied, more than happy. And as the head of the department has mentioned, the credit goes to the coordinator, Dr. Manjeet Karoop. And I wish that the department does some such programs, many more such programs will be conducted by them. And I thank you all for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would like to share the list of participants from various reputed colleges and institutes who have taken their time to join the sessions and make them very live. And there was mutuality throughout the sessions. And let me take you through the list of participants. So the participant list was around 370 to 380, and we have people coming across throughout India. We have people from IIT and NITs. We have NIT Hyderabad, NIT Ahmedabad, and we have people from IIT Roorkela and Kakatiya University, Center for Advanced Postgraduate Studies, Roorkela, CSIR Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, Government Engineering College of Raipur, University of Allahabad, Government College of Chachral, JNTU Hyderabad, National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli, SRM Trichy, and KS Institute of Technology, Government Engineering College Rajasthan, IKG Punjab Technical University Punjab, Cambridge Institute of Technology Ranchi, Oxford College of Engineering, CBIT, Sesi Institute of Technology, Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, JNTU College of Engineering, Jagityal, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Aditya Engineering College, Kelly Technological University, SRMB College of Arts and Science, SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, NIT Allahabad, MET University, and MET University Gurgaon, Chandigarh University, lovely professional university. And we have delegates from JNTU University, Hyderabad. I especially thank Dr. M. Indira Rani Madam for joining the sessions. And we are very glad to have you in the FDP, ma'am. I would now take the privilege to propose a vote of thanks for this successful FDP. So I request, thank you all participants for joining and being active throughout the sessions of these 5 days. And your feedback has boosted us in conducting more FDPs relevant to the topics that you have discussed in the feedback. And we are very glad to have you all again and again, and the collaboration with you will be more than fruitful than we think. And I, as a from our college, this collaboration is going to be very beneficial for all of us. And I thank the management for their continuous support and providing us with the approval and internet facility in conducting and making this program a grand success. I thank Principal Ma'am for her encouragement on gaining knowledge on the trending topic. And I also thank Vice Principal Sir for his support for the productive sessions to happen on time. And I especially thank our HOD Sir for encouraging us and motivating us with his timely presence in all the sessions and guiding us into the topics that are very relevant to the present research and development. I thank Dr. Manjeet Karup sir and the entire team for giving me the opportunity for hosting this session. I also thank Brahmanandam sir for providing us with a link for this session to happen. And I thank each and every participant who has been live in all the sessions. I especially thank the experts who has joined us and given us their time within a short period of notice. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you all. And we hope we'll have more live sessions like these in near future. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, madam, Rupasri?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the end of this valedictory session. Thank you all. Thank you, Principal Madam. Thank you, Shiva Reddy, sir.
All the best for your future endeavors.
Thanks, madam. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. Shiva Reddy, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining.
Rupasri, you can end it.
Okay, sir.
We can end
Manjeet, sir, will close the session.
Yeah, thank you.
Manjeet, sir, please close. Once again, congratulations to Dr. Manjeet.